Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sun Young-jang. I'm an professor of Hansan University of South Korea and very glad to present you. Today, I'd like to talk to you about a subjective study on nurses' perception of domestic violence. This is contents. Domestic violence refers to physical assault or battery that causes bodily harm or even death by one family member against another, as well as physical, psychological, and sexual abuse through restricting access to resources, limiting personal freedom, or isolating the victim from the outside world. Health and social issues resulting from domestic violence have become a global concern. Domestic violence is one of the most serious social problems, causing physical injury, psychological trauma, and even death to countless women and children. The issue of domestic violence is not limited to couples alone. It affects the entire family, particularly children living in the household. Children who witness domestic violence often display various psychological maladaptation and are more likely to perpetrate violence in their own future family due to exposure and learning. This is considered a major social issue as it potentially increases social cost and problem. Therefore, the appropriate intervention targeting perpetrators could serve as an active method of protecting victims and families. It may also help to break the cycle of violence, therefore serving as a means of preventing secondary domestic violence. Currently, there is no subjective study on nurses' perception of domestic violence. Q methodology is particularly suitable for this method because it allows to understanding the characteristics of each type based on human subjectivity and starting from the perspective of the actors themselves rather than from the assumption of the researcher. Since nurses' perceptions of domestic violence stem feature their unique and subjective violence, Q methodology designed to account for the subjectivity of participants is an appropriate research method of identifying perception type among nursing studies targeting domestic violence. According, this study aims to identify the subjectivity structure of domestic violence from the perspectives of nurses and provide foundational data for developing differentiating educational program from prospective nurses based on the characteristics of each perception type. This is especially important at the time when the importance of managing and addressing domestic violence is increasingly recognized. The purpose of study is like that: to categorize the subjective perceptions of nurses regarding domestic violence, to analyze and describe the characteristics of each perception type held by nurses. This is the study method. In this study, Q method was applied to identify the subjectivity of nurses' perception type concerning domestic violence. In this study, a comprehensive set of statements related to domestic violence was extracted by reviewing prior research, newspaper article, internet report, and conducting in-depth interview with the family members affected by domestic violence. Through this process, a population of approximately 200 statements was created. To select Q sample, the researcher repeatedly reviewed the collecting Q population, considering secondary and representativeness, and removed inside state accordingly. Although the size of Q sample may vary depending in the characteristics of by study, it is generally accepted to including 20 or to 100. Based on this guideline, the research stated perceptual expressions and respectively based on the clarity of each selected statement meaning. So the 50 most distinctive and valid statements were selected for the preliminary survey involving 2 nurses. Based on the feedback regarding difficult to understanding words or expressions necessary, revisions were made, and the final set of 46 Q samples statements were confirmed. This is sampling method. As the P-sample, this study selected total 20 nurses who voluntarily agreed to participate in this study after fully explaining the objectivity of this study to them. This is a slide show Q classification process and method. 20 nurses, the time for each participant to complete Q classification was 35 to 50 minutes on average. Data analysis is performed Q methodology. So, performed via corner piece program, and Q factor analysis utilize principal components factor analysis. This means the standard deviation of components or analysis utilizing SPSS 21 program. This is the result. The analysis of subjectivity toward domestic violence using PC corner program, it identified 2 factors, which together explain 27.14% of total variance. Factor 1 accounted for 17.40%, while factor 2 explained 9.74%. Since factor 1 shows the highest explanatory power, it is considered the most influence factor in explaining perceptions of domestic violence. Among 20 total participants, 17 were classified under factor 1 and 7 under factor 2. This group represent participants who exhibited similar response regarding domestic violence. Based on the above method of type analysis. The following subjectivity type regarding domestic violence were identified. The type subjectivity of domestic violence calculated by type analysis method could be presented as follows. First, security focused perception type. Husband in the characteristic of Taiwan, they thought that people would be reluctant to give birth multiple children, as it would be though the rare multiple children in modern society. The biggest reason would be economic burden in processing rearing. Also, in the case of rearing multiple children, it would be difficult to secure personal time for parents, they thought. However, they did not agree to increase the conversational hour between husband and wife with multiple children and main cause of giving birth to multiple children by families' pressure. They thought that the financial support through policies and children's system should be secure for increasing the birth rate and death birth and rearing the multiple children and according by corresponds cost burden. So this is type named security focused perception type. Second is the representativeness focused perception type. The characteristic of type 2 shows participants believe domestic violence occurs within the home and thus continuously happen repeatedly. Even if the perpetrators or victims are separated, the violence recurs. And this is so due to the caused by fundamental issues such as the perpetrators' low self-esteem and poor anger control. They believe that unless these root causes are addressed, domestic violence will continue. They stated that due to such violences, victims experience differences. However, they do not agree the recurrence domestic violence significantly influenced by regional characteristics such as the lack of specialized institution or by the implementation of preventing education program. They also believe that temporary causes such as corona flu do not have the significant impact, and they disagreed with options that clients' sharp annual increase in domestic violence or highly frequencies of children abuse. Therefore, the type 2 was named the representative focused on the perception type. This is a discussion. The result of this study identified two types of subjectivity in nurses' perception of domestic violence: type 1, secrecy focused perception type, and type 2, representativeness focused perception type. This is the characteristic of each type are are discussed below. In this study, the Taiwan is identified as secrecy-focused perception type. Domestic violence is thought to occur secretly within the household, often remaining hidden and not exposed outside. It is said that most women, despite the abuse, they are unable to separate from their husband and tend to want to continue family life after the abuse is treated, thus highlighting the need for awareness of this reality to resolve domestic violence. Korean men tend to regard their wives in female partners as possession used to relieve their stress or solve their problem, and they beat them without guilt. Type 2 was identified as a representative focused perception type. It is believed that domestic violence is not only continuously and repetitive, but also has a high likelihood of being transmitted across generations. Because of this, it is considered a socially and nationally important issue that poses a risk of destroying the family, the foundation of society, and effort must be made to resolve it. Therefore, it was thought the policy-based program developed is necessary to break the cycle of repeated occurrence. This study, by considering the role of nurses, is expected contributing to shifting social perceptions of domestic violence. Future, by presenting the subjective structures of nurses' perception of domestic violence and the characteristics of each type, it is hoped that this study will serve as foundational data for developing differentiated education programs. However, since convenience sampling was used in this study, did not select participants based on factors influencing perception of domestic violence. There are limited in generalizing the findings. Therefore, further studies are needed to validating the identified type by constructing a Q methodology with participants from various backgrounds. Conclusion. This study applied to Q methodology to explore the analyzed nurses' perception of domestic violence and are aimed to provide basic data suggest approach for nurses when dealing with family affected by domestic violence. As a result of the study, two factors are identified: the type of perceptions nurses have about domestic violence, or the second secrecy-focused perception type, and the representative-focused perception type. This study provided foundational data for categorizing the subjectivity of nurses regarding domestic violence and for developing strategies to improve their attitudes and perception when caring for family experiencing domestic balances. By analyzing and identifying the characteristics of each perception type, it is expected that educational programs considering the specific trait each type will be developed. Further research is also suggested, including samples that account for diverse influence factors that to conduct additional type validating studies, as well as qualitative research to identify the various factors that affect nursing care for family experiencing domestic violence. This is reference. Thank you very much for your attention. Now, I'd like to open it up for question.